Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on? Today videos be very important for all Stellar XLM holder because my brother the price will very badly fails down in last 7 days, my friend. So therefore I will notify you to in last 7 days those who coin, my friend, who have fails down in last 7 days. I will give you 100% guarantee, my friend, to like a Stellar XLM. Absolutely they will pumps up in upcoming days. As you can see here, my friend, this time in last 7 days. Absolutely, they were very bad, fails down, but after this point, they were starting moving upward. So remember to in the start of month, every coin were fails down, but if Stellar XLM will pops up, so I'm 100% sure, my friend, to they will broke all records, they will make you millionaire now. So what you say, my friends, can this is possible to upcoming time, my friend, Stellar XLM will pumps up or not, my brother? Please share it in a comment box. But if we check out, my friends, so in last one day, last 1 hour, last 7 days, all change occurring, they will positive, they will negative now. So therefore I am so worried, my friends, to see this now. But this time rank, the market rank is also phased down to 24. So therefore I can't expect this from this, my friend. But still XLM, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, so therefore I trust him. This is very trustful coin, and I invest every month, my friends, and sell it at the end of month. So therefore I also sell it now, my friend, already. And my friends, last October. But don't sell it today, my friend, because the price is decreasing. So when a price will fails down, you can see, my friend, this time, and already, my friends, they will, you can see here in minus 8.29% they are lost. So therefore you will, if you are starting selling, so they cannot give you a profit. But my friend, this time you can see here the coin will pumps up. There is a 80% chances. So therefore please, you will need to hold now. See you next time. Still XLM holder, please like video and subscribe channel.